So today you are going to either start or continue moving all of your work from your biography slideshow that you drafted onto your final template document. So first you're going to find your own template, looks like this, on Google Classroom. I'm going to go ahead and make myself a copy so that I can write on it. And then if you haven't done so already, go ahead and change the information on the title page. So where it says title, you're going to put the title of your biography. So that could either be the name of the person that you are writing about, or it could be the name of the person and something about them. So for example, this is a quote that he said, so I could include that. You can be as creative as you want for your title. You can add a picture. To add a picture, you'll go to Insert and then Image, and then click Search the Web. And then you can type in something to search for. So maybe I can type in Space Shuttle. And then I can click on the one that I like, and I can add that into document. And you might get a warning that says this, unable to create some images. That's okay. Go ahead and try it one more time. Insert, image, search the web, and maybe just pick a different one because it might have just been that picture. All right, so this one showed up super big. It actually pushed it onto like the next couple of pages. So I'm gonna shrink it up so that it fits better on the page. There we go. And I can delete the words that say add picture here. Make or use the backspace to change some of those spaces. Then I'm going to put my name, the date today, and then my teacher's name. Okay, so next up, we're going to start copying and pasting. You can take a look at the table of contents. I might suggest doing that after you copy and paste because then you'll know exactly what you had in each chapter. So I'm going to skip that for now. Here's my introduction. I have to paste my introduction from my slideshow onto there. So remember, my introduction's on slide 11. I'm going to highlight the text that I drafted. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. And then I'm going to go back to my document and I'm going to go to Edit, Paste. You might also know the keyboard shortcut of Control C and Control V. You can do that too. I'm going to go back to my slideshow. Ooh, and remember on slide 12, I had continued writing my introduction, so I need to make sure I include that as well. So I'm going to copy and paste that there. Okay, so now my introduction is on my final draft template. I'm going to do the same thing for chapter 1, early life, for adult life in chapter 2, major accomplishments, later life in chapter 4, impact on the world in chapter 5, chapter 6, my conclusion, chapter 7, about the author. This is optional. If you have some extra time, you can draft that part here where you can tell the reader all about you. And then finally, my bibliography, which, just to remind you, is on the very last slide of your biography slideshow. So I would copy and paste the information that I wrote down about the books I used to research, encyclopedias, and or websites. So today is going to be all about copying and pasting, making sure that you get your information from your draft slideshow onto your final copy. Remember that you're going to want to make sure that your formatting looks okay when you copy and paste and that your text is a size 14. So right now it's 16. It's a little too big, so I'm going to make it 14, and that it's readable and it's in black. All right, after this, a timer is going to play to help you manage your time.